Hey, how you guys doing? I'm back with another video on a ninja technique about to hide your credit utilization. Again, before, if you haven't known me or you don't know me, my name is John Manning, and this channel is about creating financial literacy so that you can understand the credit game, to learn how to leverage it to build wealth. Again, I'm out here walking around my neighborhood, and I just wanted to come and share with you this video. Okay, so let's go ahead and start dropping some jewels. Watch out, my car coming. All right, so the first thing I want you guys to understand is that a tip to this is part 3 of hiding your utilization. This is technique 3. A good technique to use when hiding your personal utilization as far as credit is going to be actually using an LLC. And the way you're going to use your LLC is you're going to use business credit. Guys, business credit can virtually separate you from personal liabilities, from personal guarantees. Business credit is the way to go. And if you understand how to use business credit, guys, it's going to change your life. We're talking about taking things out of your name and actually putting it in a business name, guys. We're talking about leaving your credit or whether it's debt on credit cards, basically transferring it over there to a business credit card. What this will allow you to do is it'll wipe you clean as far as utilization on your personal credit side, which is going to only help your score to go up. On the other side, it's going to drive you up on your business while using business credit. It's going to drive you up. But businesses use credit every day. They yank cards back and forth. And your utilization on your business credit card is not the same as your utilization on a personal credit card. The way it's factored is totally different. So, again, the hack that I got for you guys, I'm going to turn back around now. Again, so let's go ahead and recap. Like I said before, the third ninja technique is to use business credit. Use a business credit card and transfer all or part of your personal debt on your credit card to a business credit card. Usually they got lower interest rates anyway. So that is a secret ninja hack on how you can lower your credit or lower your utilization to increase your credit score. Alright guys, it's getting hot out here, so until next time, talk to you soon.